Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Google backup on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, then scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on the accounts option. Here select backup and then tap on Google account. Now make sure that the backup to Google Drive is enabled. If it's not, tap this switch. Let me turn it off. If it's not enabled, it should look like this. To enable it, tap on this switch. And then we need to add the Google account that we want to use for our backup. So let's tap on account right here. Of course, you need to be connected to internet to be able to do this. I am connected to Wi-Fi. Now tap right here and enter the account name, which one we want to use for the backup basically. So I'm gonna enter mine. Oh my bad. Then tap next. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done, tap on next. Here tap on I agree. Then tap more and accept. Then tap OK. And as you can see, we have right here more information. It says waiting for backup. You can tap on this and here you can check what type of data is waiting for backup. And if you want to back up your phone, you can simply tap on backup now button right here if you want to back it up right now. Okay, and that's how you enable the Google backup on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on this video.